Welcome everybody to the Lean PD segment. This is really cool. I actually talked to Paul Akers about this, and he paid, boy, I think it was like $58,000, something like that. At least by now, it's at least $35,000 to create this little app because he really believes in being able to achieve your goals and have a personal organization system. I use this personally. I reinforced this habit after going to Japan with Paul Akers. And the bottom line is, your project is going to flow as you flow, meaning you're doing the right things, you're in the right places at the right times. So, Lean PD helps you build those daily habits. It's pretty phenomenal. So, here's what we've done. We've given you a video right here on this board. And the Lean PD, which is Lean Personal Development app, is basically Paul Akers' simple habit tracking system for every day. Now, I really would like to encourage you not to overprogram it. Start with something simple. 5 to 7 key habits. Check them each day and get really disciplined with it. It's really quite phenomenal. So we've also placed in here how to download the app for um, iOS and for Android, and we have a little challenge for you here. So um, once you have it downloaded, we would recommend that for 60 days you start using it and reach out if you need help. And here are some things that you can do to like really be successful. And we've plugged that in here for you as a template, so you can make that in your own Lean PD app. And then once you've shared that for 60 days, if you want to report back and be accountable, go ahead and take a screenshot of that, what your plan is, and how you've been doing after 60 days. So right now is the time, because who you build, which means you, is more important than what you build. So this little challenge as a part of this overall course will be absolutely phenomenal for you if you actually implement it. And I do it myself, because what we build is not as important as who we build, and that starts with you. I hope you've enjoyed this. On we go.